Hi, my name is Dr. David Lee, and today we're going to be going over yoga stretches to help with your low back pain. This is child's pose. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to start on all fours. You're going to bring your hands underneath of you, and then your hips underneath your knees, or your knees underneath your hips. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to sit back onto your feet. If you have any knee issues, you can go ahead and roll up a towel and put it right here in the back of your legs. And then that will help to take the pain out of your knees. From here, what we're going to do is you're going to push back with your arms, and you're going to go ahead and sit back towards your heels. You should feel a nice stretch to the low back. From here, head position wise, you want to make sure that you're keeping your eyes right there in front of you. You don't want to look up as you're doing this, so keep your head down. Keep pushing back with your hands. And then try to get your butt closer to your heels as you keep on stretching. This is cat and cow stretch. What we're going to do is we're going to start in all fours. From here, the cat is where you're going to hump your upper back. From here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your chin is down towards your chest. You're pushing with your hands underneath of your shoulders, and you're pushing up so that your upper back rounds. Okay, you should feel a nice stretch in between the shoulder blades. From here, when we go into cow, you want to reverse everything. So you're going to bring your head up. You're going to sink down into your shoulder blades. And then you're going to feel that stretch also in your upper back. So this is to stretch out the upper back, because the upper back will get stiff if you have low back pain. So you're going to come all the way up into cat, and then you're going to go all the way down into cow. The next exercise is your Sphinx pose. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and line your stomach. From here, you want to make sure that your elbow is lined up with your shoulder. And then from here, you want to make sure that your hips do not raise up off the floor, okay? So what we're going to do in this position is you're going to keep your shoulders down, and you're going to keep your head down. You don't want to come here. You don't want to come here. So make sure that your shoulders are down, chin down. From here, what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and reach for your leg like that. If you can't reach for it, you can go ahead and get a stretch strap or a towel to go ahead and reach for it. As you reach for it here, you're going to go ahead and pull up. Make sure that with your arm that's still on the floor, you're going to go ahead and push into the floor. You should feel a nice stretch across the front of your thigh. And then you're going to hold that. Okay. And then gently release and bring it down. This is supine spinal twist. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lie down on your back. From here, you're going to go ahead and bend your knees up, and then you're going to bring your arms out to the side, okay? From here, you're going to go ahead and bring your legs to one side. You're going to make sure with the opposite side, you're keeping your entire shoulder on the ground, so don't let your shoulder pop up here. Keep your arm down. And then you can go ahead with the other arm and bring your legs down towards the floor at your own comfortableness. So go ahead and keep on bringing down. Keep that opposite arm on the floor. You should feel a nice stretch in your pec in the front, and then also in your low back. All right, and those were some stretches to help with your low back pain, some yoga stretches. Hope that helped you guys out. If you continue to feel pain or constant tightness, please consult your medical professional.